Hey Rick,
Alex,
hey Ricky, how are you?
oh my gosh, it's been so exciting. We've just now, you guys, announced finally our 2027 BOM for 2027 flight of the Bumblebee. And you guys got questions, and we want to answer those questions. But Alex, you got to show everybody if they haven't seen it yet.
Yeah, and if you haven't seen this morning, go watch it because it has a lot of really great information. We have it in two colorways. This is called
Mountain Meadows is this colorway, and the
yeah,
other one is Ocean Wave.
yeah,
It's
yeah, yeah, yeah,
beautiful. Yeah, I love both of them. I'm working on the Ocean Waves. You're working on the Mountain Meadows.
yeah.
You guys, this is an 84-inch square quilt, 25 yards of fabric, complete with a custom needle minder. Show them the needle minder. Can you find that?
Yep, I can.
And while we're showing you the needle minder, isn't that going to be great? That our little bee
It's
buzzing
adorable.
around. The kit comes in a box, 25 yards plus fabric, coming in a beautiful design box. We've never done that before.
No.
And all the fabrics are being hand dyed by Rayleigh Blake in Indonesia, Bali. So, you guys, this is a really great experience, and we want you to know about it. And yeah, we do encourage you to watch the previous videos. That you can get those on YouTube. You can also get them on Facebook. But watch the whole 9 yards. But the reason we're doing our little chat right now is because um, we have to get these ordered
Right.
ASAP. We started working on the design, getting the patterns, getting the working with Riley Blake. I mean, all of this has been taken months, but in order to get the fabrics in your hands in December, the workers have to hand dye these fabrics and get them done before September, because then they have to be kitted, they have to be boxed, they have to be shipped. It's a big undertaking.
And I
So
want to say this,
because
Ricky, too. Besides it being hand done for you, they're having to work around the rainy season because tell them where it's being
yeah,
made.
yeah. So they've already got it rolling, and we've got to give them totals on June 1. That's their deadline, drop dead. So the last day to order these pre-order kits is May the 31st. And I also wanted to, Alex, I also wanted to say that we've had a couple of bumps the last couple of years when it comes to yardage
Yeah.
on the kits. And we have gone through an incredible system. This quilter, I designed it, and Alex did the applique design. And I've worked with a graphic designer, and what we've done is we put every template on the fabric plus seam allowances and room for mistakes to make sure, not just guessing or calculating with a calculator,
Right.
to make
Right.
sure it's all there plus extra. And so we are really excited that we don't anticipate any problems. I feel so comfortable. What I'm working on with the kit right now, more than I need, and not an excessive amount more, but plenty more. So if you do mess up, if you have a problem, if you make a mistake, you do not have to worry about it. Because, yeah,
And
so we're
Ricky,
really excited about
tell
that.
them where it's being made, where their fabric's being made.
Where it's being made?
Yeah.
In Indonesia and
Yeah.
Bali.
Yeah.
Yeah, so they're, and by, this is their job, you guys.
I
It's so
know.
exciting.
I
So
know.
we're glad to be partnering with Riley Blake on that. AccuQuilt is involved with the dies. We want you to check that out. But where do you get this? You will get it at shop.thequiltshow.com. Shop.thequiltshow.com, or just go to thequiltshow.com and look at the very top of the
Top.
page in a big yellow bar. It says 2027 BOM.
And
So
again,
that's what you need to do.
you have to order it so that we can get it for you. This is nothing like where we can just call up a manufacturer and say, "Okay, cut us some more yardage, print some more." This is a whole
Right.
process. So
Exactly.
we got some
I've
questions,
got
Ricky.
I got questions, so I want to go through these because these are the hot questions that came in since we made the announcement. Do I have to be a star member of the Quilt Show to buy the kit? No, you do not have to be a star member of the Quilt Show to buy the kit. You do not. Can I just get the pattern and use my own fabric? Absolutely, if you're a star member. The pattern does come with your star membership, so if you just want to make the quilt, you do not have to be a star member to buy the quilt, but in order to get the patterns, because the patterns come with the
The kit.
the kit,
Yeah.
you do not. If you're going to do your own fabrics, you do need to be a star member. Now, by the way, this is pages and pages and pages. I mean, this is like bigger than a book pattern. It's crazy. All right. So, do I have to be a star member to get the pattern? You do not. It'll be, if you are a star member, you will get this with your membership. So that's
Mhm.
important. And if you pre-order the kit, does it include the pattern? Yes, as I just said, it does. All of that starts in January. It doesn't start before January. If we don't buy the kit, okay, as a star member, do we still get the pattern like we used to? Absolutely. That's part of what we do. It's the perk of being a membership on the Quilt Show for only $49, your entire
Right,
year
right,
membership.
right.
How do I become a member of the Quilt Show? Go to thequiltshow.com. In the upper right, it says join. Just click join, and it gives you options for doing monthly, 6 months, also an annual membership. Best bargain, annual membership. Do it and forget about it, okay?
Right.
Can I use my member coupon? Because star members get a coupon to shop in our store. Not for BOMs. It's just too big an investment. Sorry, your membership perk is there, but you get your star discounts on other things, but not on the kit. And I think for what they're going to get
Oh, I
all
know.
total,
I know.
$399 for this kit is just, it's not outrageous at all. When you do all the math and the extra bonuses, plus a year-long set of video lessons from Alex and me and Barbara Black,
Mhm.
it's just a really good, it's a
It's
really good
excellent. Excellent.
value. Can you pay part and pay part later? You will do that with your credit card. So if you pay the full amount now, you'll pay a part next month or the next month or next month on your credit card. We're not able or set up to do dividing of your payments on our site, but of course you can do that just by making your monthly payments on your
Right.
credit card. Are the kits available outside the United States? Of course, 100%. We would love for you to do that. You just have to understand there will be extra charges for those being shipped overseas. Personally, if I wanted to make this quilt, I just go, this is what we do in our craft and our hobby. I
Right.
encourage you to do that. And
Right.
there are some Canadians that have asked, what about tariffs? We have no charge, no say
No
so over
control.
tariffs.
No
But I
control.
honestly do not perceive that to be any kind of a problem other than just normal customs charges that are affiliated with international shipping. So, yeah, I'm very excited about this, Alex, and I hope that we've answered a lot of questions for everybody today. Show them again the quilt because they want to see it, see it, see it. I love, love, love this quilt. It's
This
been
was
so
this
much
was
fun.
number one, man. This was number one.
Yeah, and what we didn't say, flight of the bumblebee, because you don't see in the little picture there, but there's little bumblebees just all swarming around the quilt. You've got your sample there, Alex. Show that. Yeah, you go. And that's just one of them, you guys, but there's a bunch of them. So yeah, I love it.
Well,
So
Ricky,
so
this
I
has been a blast. This has been a blast. It's been intense, but I know the results are going to just be over the top. And I know people will get some prizes for these two, as well as have an heirloom quilt for their family.
a serious heirloom quilt, and for many people, a prize-winning quilt.
Hmm. Hmm.
Yeah, yeah. All right, you guys, thanks for sharing your time with us. We just wanted to answer a few questions, and we'll continue to share more information about Flight of the Bumblebee over the next couple of weeks. Get your pre-order in. Oh, looky there.
Hey, Ricky, thanks. Have a good evening. We're going on to supper time and say hi to Hugo.
Cheers. Okay, bye.
Okay, bye bye.